Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today we'll be learning how to color realistic earrings, and these are the colors that I will be using. The brand is Faber Castell watercolor pencils and some local pencils that you can easily find in any store. While you're watching the video, please make sure to subscribe and hit notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So now that we're done, let's get started. First of all, following a reference is important. A base layer of the lightest shade is needed to layer the other colors above it. Here I am using a lightest pink color, filling in the gem of the earring. You can hold the pencil like I did and start coloring while keeping the strokes as close as possible. Now I'm using a black color to bring out the shadows first. It will be easier for us to see where we're going with the other shades later on. Again going in with the light pink, and then a dark purple shade is added. Since the earring is entirely purple with pink highlights, we will be using shades closer to pink and purple. Now I used dark pink in the upper corners and some gray in the middle to fill the area. You can always use the eraser to erase some hard highlights. Now, following the reference, I am using light pink and mid purple shade to build layers continuously to achieve the effect we want. I am now building layers with the black color and some purple. I'm using the darkest pink and mid purple for the midtones, and then again pink to seal out all the midtones. I also raised some parts in the end to bring more highlights. I am starting to shade the silver material with black to bring out the shadows first, then a gray shade, while leaving some parts white for the highlights. I will now use a black color to bring out the shadows under the earring. All you have to do is carefully place the darkest strokes in the darkest region while light strokes on the light shadowy part. Using some pinks will give the effect that the light is passing through the gem and is showing on the surface along with the shadows. You can use the tissue paper to soften the shadows. Now use the white pencil to make the earring gem more smooth. For the other earring, I'm using the darkest purple for shadow and building layer with pink and dark pink. Now using the black color to bring out the darkest area where the shadow is. Bringing out some highlights using the Tombow mono eraser. You can also use Q-tip to blend certain areas in the end. You can use white or the lightest shade to seal in all the colors to make it even more smoother, or use the black in the end for the shading to bring more depth. After the gems are done, moving to material. By the same technique as before, add some black as shadow following the reference and then use a grey color while leaving some parts white for the highlights, of course. For the shadow on the surface, same process will be used. This was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications bell so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.